So just taking a quick look at Solana then on our daily time frame here for another daily update. As we can see, not too much going on with Solana right now. We are basically just grinding to the upside very, very slowly at the minute by the looks of things. Solana recently has been putting in a pretty nice consistent range. As you can see, the weekly time frame really tells the story the best, to be honest. You can see we obviously came up almost to the previous all-time high, as you can see previously, got up to that $200 level, retraced back down to $100. Got a nice range here, which I was trading every time we came down to the low. I was just trading it back to the high. Caught a few of these trades. I left one of them on here so I could remember that I was doing that. I was catching these trades back to the top of the range over and over again. Then we finally got the breakout, the retest, the sweep of the liquidity of the all-time high, the big rejection in line with that Trump token dragging the market down, and obviously tariffs as well coming in at the perfect time for Solana to get smashed back down. We came all the way down to the bottom of the range, swept liquidity below, tapped $100, which was a great entry point in my opinion. We're 2x up from that in the past few months, as you can see, for Solana, and we're probably going to continue. And you can see we came back inside the range, tested the high, tested the low, and now we're kind of grinding up to the upside here as the market is in a bit of a weird spot. We've got Bitcoin retracing but at all-time highs. We've got Ethereum coming up and tapping a new all-time high and looking like it wants to continue, but I think it's getting pulled back by Bitcoin right now. And you can see Solana as a result just a bit of a mess, really, just kind of grinding slowly to the upside here. Very choppy price action, not really any consistent clean moves. You can see we're kind of just getting this really choppy, grindy price action heading back towards that previous all-time high, which I think will probably get hit going towards the end of the year. I think a lot of things are about to start moving to the upside in a big way. You can see Solana here very much just looking like it's basically in a bit of a weird spot, to be honest. But I think probably going to be heading up towards this level, as I said, pretty soon. Right now, Solana not doing too much in regards to the past few weeks, really. We've just kind of been grinding around this resistance area, as you can see, going sideways. And right now, we're just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do drop a like, subscribe to the channel. And as always, get some free money in the description below.